An extremely important tip is to give your body and mind the proper fuel and nutrition it needs to exercise. If you're eating a lousy diet, chances are you're not going to have much energy or enthusiasm for working out. If you eat a diet devoid of nutrition, you're probably going to feel quite sluggish. But if you give your body good fuel, good nutrition, you'll probably want to work out. So very important, try to eat well. You don't have to eat well all the time, but try to eat well most of the time. So eat good proteins like meat, fish, eggs, dairy if you can, fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds if you can tolerate them, grains if you like them and you can tolerate them. Just try to put good food into your body. I tend to classify good food as food with not a lot of ingredients. An egg, the only ingredient is egg. Carrots, peppers. So when I buy food, I try to buy foods, and I look at the ingredients and make sure there's not a lot listed on the ingredients.